Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. It's a pleasure serving you. Okay, so go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I got one for you. Give it a thumbs up. So I'm going to show you how to make a very, very quick blueberry pie in the oven. Yes, blueberry pie. Can you just, taste it in your mouth? And I got some ice cream to go on top and some whipped cream. Oh, don't get me started. I'm going to go all in on this one. Okay. All right, so let's do it. Give it a thumbs up, share the video, share the video, share the video, and subscribe. Check out my links below if you'd like to support this channel in any way. Let's do it. Okay, so I have 2.5 pounds of blueberries. 2.5 pounds. You need a lot of blueberries so that when they when it goes down, you'll still it will look like a full pie. Okay. 1 cup of brown sugar. 1 cup of brown sugar. And this is to make it quick. 2 deep dish pie crusts. Okay, already in the pans. Okay, let me open that. Okay, you see we have 2, okay? So one, we're gonna actually put the blueberries into. But let's first add our brown sugar. 1 cup of brown sugar to the 2.5 pounds of blueberries. I'm just going to mix this in. You're just giving the blueberries a nice coating. Okay, and now I'm going to add some vanilla. This is invitation vanilla. You may have pure vanilla, whichever vanilla you have. So I'm going to do 1 tablespoonful of vanilla. I smell the vanilla now. Okay, so you're going to end up with like a thickness. The juice of the berries is going to be thickened because of the brown sugar. Okay, so now here's 1 pie crust. We're going to put the blueberries right in here. You want to make like a peak right in the middle here. That's why when you go to the store and you buy a pie, they have it like tall in the middle. That's because they make like a big pile of the blueberries or the apples or whatever they're using right there in the middle. Okay? So it looks pretty full, right? Okay. Now normally, you know, you'd make your pie crust and you roll it out and all of that. Well, remember my key word tonight was quick. Okay? So this is going to be very quick. Okay, let me get some water. Okay, I have some water here and a pastry brush. And we're going to go around the edge and wet the edge of the pie crust all the way around. That's so that when we put this pie crust on it, it sticks. And I know you're saying, well, how is she going to do that? She has two bottoms. I do. And I'm going to show you. Okay, so you're just going to flip this over so that the pie crust drops in your hand. And if it doesn't come out easily, you might have to help it. And in this case, I see I have to help it some. So I'm loosening it up just ever so slightly. Okay, once you get it started, it should pop out. There we go. It's out. You see that? Just sit that right over the top. Don't worry if some breaks off and all of that. We're going to fix it. So you can see when I took it off, this spot stuck to the pan. You see that? So you're going to take it off. And just stick it there. Anywhere where you have a gap. And I'll show you. And don't worry, when it cooks, you're not going to even be worried about that. Other than that, you can make your own pie crust, roll it out and all of that. But let's just say you're tired, you come home, and you just want to get this pie in the oven because you are tired. This is a quick way to do it. Okay, so I'm going to cut a little circle in the top for it to breathe, like that. Then I'm going to take the knife and just stick holes here, there, so it can breathe as well. There we go. How quick was that? You see what I'm saying? Okay. So I'm going to put this in the oven on 350 degrees. Oh, and let me show you this. This is where I patched it on the edge. Okay. Now when that cooks, you're not going to see it as much. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to put this in the oven on 350 degrees until the crust is a nice golden brown. Okay. Alright, and I'll bring you along all the way. Okay, thanks. Okay, I brought you back to show you that I have a pan underneath the pie because the juice is gonna spill out. So you want it onto a pan rather than in your oven, okay? Alright, that's what I wanted to show you. Okay guys, I'd like to give you the word of the day. The word of the day is time. Time. Where does time go? So you're born into this world and you're playing and having fun, and the next thing you know, you're a teenager. Then the next thing you know, you're out on your own with all kind of struggles. You know, struggles to survive, struggles to pay rent, struggles to pay for a car, struggles to finance maybe an education. And then time moves on even further. So you decide to have a family. And then you have your family, and it seems like they're small and cute and everything is the way it's supposed to be. Then all of a sudden they're growing up really, really fast on you. You can remember a couple of years ago when they were still playing with toys, and now they're asking to for you to buy them a car, playing with a bigger toy, you know. And then you look back even further, and they're all out the house. Where has time gone? And then you look at your own time capsule, and you can't believe that you lived through it all. You did it all. Because you know why? Time was good to you. You're still here to remember it. That's the word of the day. Okay, so the blueberry pie has been out the oven. I put it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. And so now I'm ready to present it to you. And we're going to add some ice cream and whipped cream to top it off. So that we can really, really see how to eat this blueberry pie with a smile. Because you know, blueberry pie makes us smile. The ice cream definitely makes us smile. And the whipped cream. I mean, it's all there today. Okay? Alright, so let's do it. Thumbs up, please. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Share the video. Subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so here's our blueberry pie. And it gushed all out. Remember the edge here where it broke off and I patched it? So the blueberries gushed out, but that's okay because it is what it is, okay? The idea is how does it taste? So I cut it already. Now I'm going to take it out, but I wanted to show you before I actually took it out what we're looking like, okay? Okay, that's what we're looking like. Now let's add some goodies to it. Some ice cream and some whipped cream. I have some Brio's vanilla chocolate ice cream. My favorite ice cream is Brio's. That's 1 scoop. I'm going to actually add 2 scoops. I'm just dipping the scooper into water, hot water. There we go. Oh wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, I can't wait to bite into it. Oh, and this is Cabot whipped cream. I like Cabot, cheese, butter, whipped cream. I like the taste. Oh, my. Will you take a look at that? That's what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness. So imagine biting into that crust and the ice cream and the creaminess of the whipped cream. Oh my goodness. I want a little more drop of whipped cream right here. Oh, yes. I love it. Okay, let me take a taste. And for you, let me adjust the camera. Okay, guys. Look at it. Woo-hoo. Yes. All right. Let me take a taste. My goodness. So I want some of that crust and the blueberries and the ice cream. I want it all. Okay, here we go. Oh my God. Guys, this is it. And you remember how quick it took us to make the pie by cheating and using the two pre-made pie crusts and just flipping one over for the top, right? Oh, this is it, guys. This is it. Oh my goodness. You must please make this. Thumbs up. All the way around. Thumbs up. Please share this with everyone. Why not? Okay? And by the way, if you look at the price of the blueberries in the pint, it's very expensive. So buy the blueberries that are frozen, and then that way it's much cheaper, and you just put them in the refrigerator until they thaw out, and then you're going to add up to a couple of pounds. Okay, or 2.5 pounds like I had. Either way you want to do it. Alright, love you, love you, love you. Thank you for hanging around. Blueberry pie is my favorite. Comment and let me know what kind you like. Okay? Alright, talk to you soon. Be safe.